Hey guys, hope everybody's doing all right. Can't wait to see you guys back on Monday. I hate missing the first week of school, but it is what it is. So I just decided to make a few videos going over the constructions that we're doing today because it's a lot easier to see when you're doing it on video. I do have the instructions, but the videos, you can kind of exactly see what I'm doing while we're going over it, so I figured I'd share those. Hopefully it works out okay. If not, I will have to post Coach Paps. So the first thing I need you guys to do is go into your classroom, which is 7th period geometry right here. Click on the classwork tab, and then you'll see that I've posted an assignment for 1A and 1B notes. Click on 1B, because those are the ones we're going over. You should have already gone over 1A whenever you did your vocabulary through Desmos. If not, you still have the Desmos, just kind of go in there and fill out 1A. Those are just vocabulary. After you open the 1B notes, go back to classwork and open up the construction tools under class essentials. You'll need the yellow one that has the purple on it, and it should look like this when you open it up. Okay? So just go ahead and pause the video, make sure you have all of that open. Alright, so the first construction that we're going to do today is going to be a congruent line segment. It's really easy. You could actually do this on paper with a compass and a protractor. All of these constructions you can. But I just think it's a lot easier to use this website because it's just a lot easier. Especially because your compass will lock and you don't have to worry about it. So, first thing we're going to do, congruent line segment. I need you to click on the line segment and just draw any line segment you want. I would not make it too large just because your compass that we're going to use has a limited open area. So don't make it too large. But once you've got it drawn, go ahead and label 2 points. Just do it with the pencil. They don't have to be perfect circles or anything. So that's point A. And then we'll label point B right about here. And again, it doesn't matter how far apart they are as long as it's not too far for the compass. So we've got a line segment, we've got point A, we've got point B. What I'm trying to do is make another congruent line segment, and we'll call it CD, that is the same length as AB. Well, I could use a ruler and use a ruler to draw it, but I'm not going to. I'm going to use a compass, okay? So, what you're going to do is you are going to, you have to have something to go off of. You know, you can't just like make a line out of nowhere for congruency. So I'm going to just draw another line in red, just a line segment. I'm going to make it longer than the first because I know I have to get something congruent out of it. I don't want to not have enough. So then once I've drawn that line segment, I'm going to label 1 point, and I'll just make it right here. This would be point C. Okay, that's where my new congruent line segment is going to start. So then once I do that, I'm going to get this compass. And I really like this compass tool. So just a couple things about it. If you hover over it, you see the hand. That means that you can just move it around wherever you want on the screen. Okay. The pointy tip is where you're going to be putting it on your points. So go ahead and put this pointy part on C. Okay. Now, oh, I'm sorry, don't put the pointy part on C. Put it on A for right now. Okay. Another thing is when you hover over the pencil, that will open the compass and then close it. Okay, and you can kind of move it all around, but notice that pointy part stays the same, which is kind of nice. So, what I need you to do is put the compass point, the pencil point, on B. All right? Now, we want this compass to be locked in that position because that's the length of this line segment that we're going to need the congruent one for. So, I'm going to go up to this little lock symbol, click it. Okay, it's locked. Now, I cannot open it and close it anymore. So that distance is kind of locked in. Okay? So, and I know it's kind of hard to see because the compass is up on the top. But see how when I go up here and I hover, you see that little circle arrows? That's going to be where we can kind of use this compass and make a little arc. So just click on that and move it up and down and make a little arc right on B. Okay? That's just basically measuring our distance. Once I do that, I'm going to take this point and move it down to C. Notice how this open part did not move because it's locked, okay? So I'm going to draw another arc right here. If it will draw for me. Oh, it won't draw for me because you have to have it on the black part of the compass, the top part. Okay, so I'm going to draw another arc on here, and then I'm going to move this out of the way real quick. And this, if I'm clicking on the pencil, this right here, I'm going to label this point D. Okay, so now I've made a congruent line segment to where line segment AB, remember our notation, line segment AB is congruent, you got a little wavy line and an equal sign, to line segment CD. And then if you want to check it with a ruler, you can. I can bring that over here. That's about 4 inches, and then that one is about 4 inches as well. So you can check it with a ruler. It's just another way to make that congruent line segment. All right, so I need you guys to try this one on your own and make sure that you are able to do it.